Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you're signed in as the device owner or an administrator. This is required to rename a Chromebook. Once signed in, open the launcher and go straight to Settings, then about Chrome OS and device info so you can locate the device name field. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and sync is enabled because the new name can propagate to your Google account and other devices. This prevents inconsistent device listings later in the process. Now you edit the actual name. Find device name in the Device or About section and click the pencil icon or Edit control. That opens a text field. You type a concise, recognizable name, use letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid unusual special characters because some services won't accept them. Once you enter the name, press Save or Confirm. This writes the change locally and, if sync is on, pushes the new label to your Google account and network management tool. Finish by restarting the Chromebook so the new name registers in the OS and on networks. After reboot, check your Google Accounts devices list or any enterprise console to confirm the change. If the name didn't update, make sure sync is still on. Sign out and back in to force a resync. If problems persist, clear browser cache, reboot again, and contact your administrator. Sometimes policy restrictions or cached records prevent immediate updates, so they can push an override if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.